Hi, I'm Lou Manferedini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a marble tile in your floor. All right, replacing a tile is a fairly easy process, but it's a little bit involved. You need to spend some time on this. It's a good idea to remove the grout around the tile that you want to replace. Now, in this demo, you'll see all these tiles are new, but if you have a cracked tile, I want you to avoid the temptation to just start taking up the pieces, because if you leave the grout around the undamaged tiles, you run the risk of cracking those as well. So first, remove the grout. And that you're going to either use with a rotary tool or a multi-tool, or you can use a hand tool if you want to kind of get that grout out of there so that you localize the tile that you're going to remove. Then, using a stiff bladed scraper and maybe even a hammer, you're going to go ahead and pound the pieces of the tile up to get that completely removed. Clean all the old mortar or adhesive, whatever was holding the tile in place. Hopefully, you've got some old tile that you can use to replace the broken one. Then, using a thin set mortar or adhesive, it's up to you, and a notch trowel, go ahead and put that into the space, or you can even butter it on the back of the tile if you want. Then lay that tile in the space where it needs to go, apply some pressure, make sure that the gaps around the tile are even, and then apply some weight on there like a can of paint and leave it overnight. Let that dry first, and then after that, you can go ahead and put the grout in there to kind of fill that in, and you've replaced the tile. For more home tips and recipes, just click subscribe right here.